Hey everyone, Maggie Nolan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you to talk about taking care of past clients. Okay, number one, a referral program. We do incentive-driven referral programs. What that means is if a past client comes back to us wanting to do another session, they get a percentage off of that package. One, because they came to us. Two, because we of course want the work and we don't want them to have to go somewhere else if they've already come to us. So that's number one. Number two, we give incentive to them to refer others to us. So here's an example. I shoot a wedding last year. That bride sends her friend to us. If that friend hires us, our past bride gets to pick out something from a really cool personalized website, whether it's Pottery Barn, whether it's Personalization Mall, whether it's Vistaprint. They kind of get to pick. We give them options and they get to pick personalized items that they get to use. So that's number two. And number three, what's number three? Keep them informed. So one way we take care of past clients is to just keep them in the loop, to let them know that we're still around, to let them know promos that we're doing, exciting business launches that we're doing, because we want them to stay in the loop with us as we stay connected to them. So I hope that was helpful. We hope you guys are having a great week so far. Happy Monday. We'll see you guys here next week. Thanks so much.